Hi, this is Raymond again and welcome dito sa Noy Finance. So, credit card installment is one of the best features ng isang credit card. Imagine, you can have big purchases and you don't have to pay it upfront. You can purchase a new laptop o kaya yung dream phone mo, pwede ka rin mag-upgrade ng TV, o kaya kung gusto mo mag-travel, pwede yung buong travel cost mo will be paid on a monthly basis in small amount. And that is the power of credit card installment. Though credit card installment are very straightforward, like for example, kumuha ka ng item na worth 30,000 and you're gonna pay it in 6 months, alam mo na 5,000 pesos yung babayaran mo on a monthly basis. But sometimes it gets a little tricky and yan yung pag-uusapan natin sa video na to, specifically how credit card installment works. Pero bago natin simulan, kung gusto mo yung mga ganitong klase ng videos about credit cards, personal finance, investing, I hope subscribe ka sa channel na to. Of course, click the bell icon para syempre ma-notify ka pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. So ano nga ba yung credit card installment or yung tinatawag nila na installment? Well, basically, yung credit card installment or yung installment is a payment arrangement where you make monthly payments toward purchases you've made. Instead of making complete one-time cash payment on your credit card, you pay for your purchases in equal amounts over a specific number of months. This is usually used kapag yung binibili mong item is medyo may kamahalan at syempre ayaw mong bayaran yon one time dating ng due date mo. So, ang gagawin mo is ipapa-installment mo siya para syempre hindi mabigat sa budget. There are different kinds of installment and isa na dyan yung tinatawag nilang in-store installment. In-store installment is the type of installment na i-a-apply mo or sasabihin mo mismo dun sa merchant na magpapa-installment ka. For example, bumili ka ng bagong phone sa Electroworld, sa Memo Express, or kung saan mang gadget store na nag-a-accept ng credit card payment. You can tell directly dun sa cashier or dun sa mismong tao na nag-a-assist sa'yo na mag-a-avail ka ng installment for your purchase. Then usually, tatanungin ka nila kung ilang months mo ipapa-installment and syempre kung anong credit card bank yung credit card mo. Kasi dyan napapasok if your credit card bank has some form of partnership dun sa merchant kung saan ka bumibili. If your credit card bank has some form of partnership dun sa merchant kung saan ka bumibili, then the merchant can usually offer you 0% interest na pwede mong bayaran in a certain number of months, which is usually around mga 3 to 12 months. When I say 0%, it's definitely 0% interest. Like for example, bumili ka ng item worth 15,000 pesos payable in 3 months, then babayaran mo is 5,000 pesos per month, no more no less. But please take note lang no, na 0% interest yan as long as nababayaran mo siya on or before the due date. Kasi pag lumagpas yan, magkakaroon na yan ng another type of interest, which is finance charge. And also, please take note, no, marami nagtatanong sa atin ito palagi, please make sure na yung total amount na binibili nyo is lower compared dun sa available credit limit ninyo. Okay? So, we're talking about the total amount that you are trying to purchase, hindi yung monthly installment. So, kunwari dun sa example natin kanina na yung binibili mo is worth 15,000 pesos payable in 3 months, so dapat yung available credit limit mo is at least 15,000 pesos para makover niya yung total amount nung binibili mo. At hindi lang yung 5,000 which is just the monthly installment. Kasi kung hindi, it's either madedecline yung transaction mo or worse, matcha-chargean ka pa ng over-limit fee. Kaya maganda, no, bago kayo bumili sa isang merchant, tanungin nyo muna kung may offer sila dun sa credit card bank ninyo. Like for example, 0% installment or minsan may mga pa-previous pa yan.
Ibig sabihin po ba kapag walang partnership yung credit card bank ko dun sa merchant kung saan ako bumibili, hindi na ako pwedeng magpa-installment?
So usually, pwede pa rin naman magpa-installment dun sa merchant na yon, pero most likely hindi ka na nila mabibigyan ng 0% interest. And usually kapag magpapa-installment ka, itatawag pa nila yan dun sa bangko mo for approval. Nasabi ko nga din kanina na yung 0% installment usually nabibigay sa mga shorter term, like mga 3 to 12 months lang na installment. If you're looking for a much longer term, maybe around 24 to 36 months, minsan meron mga merchant and banks na nag-o-offer ng ganyan, pero yun nga, madalas hindi na siya 0%. And usually, tatawagan pa yan sa bangko mo for approval, tapos sasabihin sa'yo kung magkano yung interest, magkano yung babayaran mo per month. Another form of installment is yung tinatawag na after purchase installment. Okay? So, unlike dun sa in-store installment wherein sasabihin mo muna dun sa merchant na magpapa-installment ka bago mo bilhin yung item, for this one, hindi. So, kailangan transacted muna yung item at posted na yung transaction bago ka mag-apply ng installment and itatawag mo na yan mismo dun sa bangko mo. Most common dito yung tinatawag nilang transaction conversion wherein may specific transactions na gusto mong ipa-installment or ipa-convert to installment. So, from straight transaction, gusto mo siyang gawing installment. Ako personally, normally ginagamit ko to kapag bumibili ako ng item online na medyo may kamahalan. Since sa online, wala masyado nag-o-offer ng mga 0% installment. So, magandang alternative to na after purchase na lang, ipapa-convert ko siya dun sa mismong bangko. Now, the downside of this one is normally nga may interest talaga siya. And syempre, may hassle na involved din kasi kailangan mo pang itawag sa customer service ng credit card mo, which usually alam naman natin kung gaano kalala yung mga customer service ng mga bangko. Though there are banks na kahit transaction conversion, nagbibigay sila ng mga 0% installment, no? So, isa na dyan si RCBC. Kung matatandaan nyo, meron silang Only Zero wherein pwede mong i-convert into installment yung mga straight transactions mo for 3 months, 0%. In my experience, nag-o-offer din ng ganyan si HSBC, si Union Bank, and iba pang mga bangko. Pero normally, kailangan mong itanong yan sa bangko mo kasi minsan client-to-client basis yan. So, pwedeng sa'yo may offer, sa ibang kliyente wala. So, mas maganda i-clarify mo muna dun sa bangko mo. Ako personally, hindi ko talaga ina-encourage na gamitin to unless na lang kailangan. Kasi nga, number 1, may interest siya. And number 2, pwede kasi talagang ma-mishandle mo yung finances mo. An alternative to balance conversion is yung tinatawag nilang balance transfer. But this time, i-convert mo siya, hindi papunta dun sa bank mo, pero papunta sa ibang bangko. So let's say for example, you have 2 credit cards and si credit card A has enough balance to cover yung total amount due ni credit card B. So what you can do is apply for a balance transfer kay credit card A, pay off the total amount due ni credit card B. So ngayon, wala ka ng utang kay credit card B. Instead, kay credit card A na lang. But the good thing is, hindi mo kailangan bayaran ng isang bagsak si credit card A, but instead, pwede mo siyang bayaran in installment. Another kind of installment is yung mga nakikita natin sa mga online platforms like Lazada, Shopee, Abenson, at iba pa. So kung makapansin nyo, for example sa Lazada, kapag mag-checkout na kayo, kapag mamimili na kayo ng payment method, makikita nyo doon that there is an installment BDO, buy now, pay later. When it comes to Abenson naman, makikita natin na may iba-ibang options. So, meron dyang BPI, may BDO, may Union Bank, RCBC, at iba pa. Normally, itong mga online installment option na to is very limited, no? For example, si Lazada, BDO lang yung may installment option sa kanila. Not to mention na dito sa Philippines, napaka-konti pa lang talaga ng mga merchants na nag-o-offer ng online installment. Aside from that, usually walang mga 0% interest na na-offer yung mga gantong installment options. Kaya ako personally, ang favorite ko talaga is in-store installment kasi sila talaga yung nakakapagbigay ng 0% installment and normally may mga freebies pa yung binibigay. So if you really want to maximize the benefits of your credit card, so definitely isa talaga tong installment sa dapat pinag-aaralan ninyo kung paano nyo gagamitin, paano nyo ita-take advantage, lalo na yung mga 0% offers, kasi talagang nakaka-help yan. So kung may mga tanong pa kayo regarding credit card installment, 0% installment, just leave a comment below sa mga tanong ninyo at syempre pipilitin natin yung sagot. And that's it guys, I hope marami kayong natutunan for our video about credit card installment. And kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, I hope you click the like button and of course share this to your friends. Again, this is Raymond from Noy Finance and I'll see you in the next video.